Come on, man. You gotta get this right. Kyle, come on. You wrote cost cheese 13. Oh no, you wrote cost cheese 13. So how come you have like 13 there? Well, no, look, you're saying the cost takes in a number, a string, and a number. Is that right? Look at your domain. No, cost is string. I don't see any number in the domains. Where do you see numbers? That's the range. That's the range. So that means it goes down here, down below. 13 goes down here. Can you fix it again? Put in 13 for me? If you finished your examples, move on to the function header. Next step, function header. What do you write?
No, mine.
Oh, so it's
Oh, why are you going to price? Okay. For
You guys got your function header?
14.
What does CPS mean? That works.
Because they're all thinking, wait, what? Equal. Wrong. Equal.
What does P stand for?
Okay.
Okay, that's cool. Don't worry about the body. Do not write the function body, just the header.
so
Stop doing that! I am paying attention. No, he's not that
Yes,
moving
don't
forward.
with pepper. Get
Yeah,
it?
but Kyle. We need to have the header.
Just one round.
Hold up.
One round.
Gentlemen, we need to stop.
He said he took
I want you to let him do his thing. I don't need to worry about that. He's not doing that right now. So Kyle,
But it's our code, so
domain for cost.
they're using our code.
What is that?
So they have to use
What is that?
it. Right?
I want to make the stripes in the background.
What does it say on your paper? The domain. Good. What does that string mean? You wrote potatoes. What's potatoes? What? That's a great one.
Let's not do the
Bottom
bottom
right.
line.
With the header.
he's going to show you how to do it. All you have to do is header.
Okay. You can do better. What are steak and cheese?
C for cheese, P for pepperoni, S for steak.
Okay. If you wrote your function header, I would like your eyes to be up here.
I think I don't know why I'm
If you wrote topping, you're good. Okay. So, can I have a volunteer tell me what goes in my function header? What if I was lost and I didn't know what to write here? Where would I look?
contract.
The contract. That's why it's so important to get it right. So what do I write? Cost. And how many variable names do I need? How do I know?
Contract.
Good. And what kind of variable is that?
Topping.
Topping. Okay. What name do you want to give it? Topping. That works for me. I'm just gonna write top because I'm lazy, but topping is good. Okay. Now it's time for the new stuff that you haven't seen before. So I don't know what to write for the body of my function. I have no idea. So I made a little table. I have all my conditions: cheese, mushroom, pepperoni, and steak. And I know what the result should be for each condition. If it's a pepperoni pizza, I should give back $10. If it's a mushroom pizza, I should give back $10.50. This is all stuff that you already knew. I just copied what I wrote up here. What's missing is a test, which is how do we know if topping is cheese? How do we know if topping is mushroom? How do we know if topping is pepperoni? So, how can I check to see if topping and cheese are the same thing? I'll give you one hint. I know that cheese is a string, and I know that top is a string. How can I check if cheese and top are equal? Do you know any functions that might tell us if cheese and top are equal? So Manny says it's a Boolean function, and he's right. It's one of those Boolean functions that you wrote down. Check your contract page. Look for something that will tell you if cheese and top are equal. Well, OR won't work because what is OR's domain? What is OR's domain? OR takes in two Booleans, but that can't work because cheese is a string and top is a string. So it can't be OR. What's the domain for N? Look at the paper. Raise your hand when you think you've got it. It can't be OR and it can't be N because those take Booleans. And we know that top is a string and cheese is a string. Yurissa. That's right. String equals question mark. And what are the two strings I'm comparing? Cheese and what? Cheese and top. How come I don't need quotes on top? Because it's a variable. If I wrote quote here, then that means I'm saying, is the word cheese the same as the word top? It would always be false. I don't want that. Okay, can I have a volunteer tell me how I would check to see if mushroom is top? Jakai. Mushroom and top. That's right. And then you can see how I might, go and do the rest of them. I'm not going to go through them all. I think you sort of get the idea. But this is still just a table, and I need to know how to write this as code. Well, here's how. All I need in my code are my tests and my results. And cond is actually a new function. These square brackets tell me that I'm looking at a different row in the table. It's a new condition. So condition 1, if cheese is equal to top, return $9 as the result. Condition 2, if mushroom equals top, return $10.50 as a result. And all I need is this little con. Turn your monitors on. Click save, and then start a new WeScheme program.